Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Asana for project management or task management. Okay, so this is just an introduction about how to use Asana. Later, I'm going to use more or I'm going to do more tutorials about project management and task management. So you just have to go to Google web browser and type Asana. And then this is what it looks like. Now, if you have an account, all you have to do is to tap sign in with your Google account. If you don't have yet, you just have to tap sign up. To start, you just have to create a new blank project here. So task, you have your other options, but let me tap this new project. Click blank new project and then type the project name. Let's just say you are about to run or create a YouTube channel. And this YouTube channel is all about nature, but it's up to you if you want to do like YouTube channel for travel, for sports, for hobbies, for games, something like that. But for me, I want to choose nature. And then you can choose if it's public or private. And then for layout, we have here list, a board, we have here calendar, we have here timeline, and then click continue. So what do you want to do first? I'm going to tap this. I want to add or assign some tasks to my people. Okay, so this is what it looks like if you choose this calendar timeline or layout, but you can change it anytime. Everything is up to you. If you want to see everything, you can click to overview. If you want to change your layout or templates, you just have to tap this area here, board, timeline, calendar, workflow, dashboard, and so on. Okay, if you go to home, you can see all the status of your project. Okay, also inbox if you want to see if there is a new message. Reporting, we have here portfolio goals. You can set a goal here. Let's just say your goal is to create a trending video, something like that. Save goal, and whenever you feel discouraged or disappointed, you can just look to your goal and the reason why you created this channel, something like that. Okay, so to start here, let me go to my task here. Of course, first we have I need to create channel concept and niche. We have here content planning, quality equipment, and I can't do it alone. So that's the reason why I have my people with me who will help me to have a successful channel. So let's just say if I'm going to tap this first task here, channel concept and niche, I can simply click this one and go further with assigning this task. Okay, so all I have to do is to tap assignee, tap this to someone, due date. Okay, select the expected date. They should submit this one. Projects, you can add something here like instruction or anything that you want to add. Okay, description. You can type or enter here the description about this child concept or what do you want to say or what do you want Andrew to know about this task. Okay, so just simply paste it here, edit by just clicking the options like bold, italic, and you can even add a link here and you can add emoji and also you can add or mention the person again. Okay, so after that, if you want to go to add task, you can click this add subtask here, add a subtask, add a person to do the task. It could be Andrew or it could be someone. Okay, add a date that this task should be done or submitted. Okay, something like that. Okay, and then once done, you can go to this ask a question or post something. You can say leave a feedback, or you can also say that you can save the videos to this Google Drive. You can send something to this email. Feel free to type anything here, okay, in this box here. Once done, you can tap comment. Okay, so actually, if this task is completed or complete, you just have to click this mark complete. If not, you can also unmark this one. Okay, so same thing with this second task here. If you're going to assign this to someone, you can just simply go to this part here and then add the email address, due date, And if you want to add something like the status of this task, let's just say I want to know if this one is like in progress. So let's just say to do, doing, and done. Okay, so you can edit everything here, or they can just say in progress, done, something like that. Okay, and then after that, you just have to tap the create field and it will be added right here. Okay, so that's it. Create field. Okay, you can see here the status, right? So also you can add priority, high, medium, low, and you can add more like numbers, files, people, something like that. Okay, so for let's just say status, the first task is the status is to do. Okay, so I have to set the status as to do. Same thing also with the second task here. Priority, let's just say high because I need it tomorrow or the next day. Okay, so the third task, let's just say this one is already finished. By the way, you can add section here if you want after you finish the first part. Now for the third task, let's just say this one is done. So all you have to do is to click low, click done, and that's it. So it means you have or someone completed this task already. So if I'm going to click this one by one, I can see the full information here, okay, on the right side. Okay, so it's very important also to click this part so that you can add more description, okay, comment, and you can add subtasks if you want, rather than just by clicking up here. Okay, so if you go to home, you can see the progress or the status of your project. So we have here upcoming, overdue, and completed. So you can see it right here. And that's how you use Asana. So for how to create task management, how to create project management in Asana, I will be doing that later or to my next video tutorial. Okay, so again, please support my channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing my video. If you think this is useful, then please let me know so I will be encouraged to do more tutorials about this one. Thank you so much and see you in my next tutorials.